Now that we've explored creating charts for quarterly data, let's focus on analyzing annual data using monthly total sales. We will create a chart comparing monthly total sales for all regions, highlighting each month alongside the sales figures for North, South, East, and West. Additionally, we'll create another chart that shows monthly sales specifically by region, focusing on the month column and the sales for each region. This approach will provide insights into regional performance and help identify trends. Finally, we will discuss formatting options to enhance clarity and presentation. This formula dynamically calculates values based on the data in a table, automatically adjusting as new entries are added. It helps maintain accurate calculations without needing to manually update ranges. When you add a new row to the table, the formula extends to include this new data, ensuring that your calculations remain current and reflect the latest information. This adaptability saves time and reduces errors, making it a powerful tool for data analysis and reporting. If you double-click a cell with a formula, then accidentally click another cell, it will change the formula, mixing up the references. To correct the mixing of references, edit the formula to restore the original cell references. To create a line chart that analyzes our data for the whole year, highlight the monthly range along with the total sales for all regions for each given month, but don't include the headers for now, we will add them later. To create this line chart, just repeat the steps as we did before, go to the Insert tab and click on Recommended Charts. The line chart will be at the top as the most recommended for this task. You can also scroll and click on other chart types, such as clustered column, stacked area, pie chart, or Pareto chart. Make sure to navigate and click on all charts to explore different types. Go through all the various line chart options available, as each serves specific purposes. For now, let's select line with markers. When you're done, click OK at the bottom right corner. Using a line chart to analyze monthly total sales over a year offers several benefits, including the ability to visualize trends and patterns, which helps in identifying seasonal fluctuations and long-term growth. Analyzing data for an entire year provides a more comprehensive view than just examining a quarter, as it captures variations that may be missed in shorter time frames and allows for better forecasting and strategic planning. Line charts effectively highlight monthly sales performance, making it easier to spot trends, peaks, and dips in sales activity. This clarity enables businesses to make timely adjustments to their strategies, ensuring they can respond effectively to changing market conditions. Overall, using line charts for yearly sales analysis fosters deeper insights and supports more informed business decisions. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you want to dive deeper and watch the full lesson on Excel charts and graphs, I've provided the link in the video description below. Additionally, if you'd like to stay updated with more tips and tutorials, feel free to join my WhatsApp channel by clicking the link in the channel description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.